Hi everybody, welcome to Dopey's Broke. I am Amber and I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful day. Today we are going to do an unboxing of Mindful Souls. So, it's not open. Makes my pulse react. Opposites attract. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so this is a piece that's in there. Enjoy every moment. Ah! What? Something really dusty in this box, and it's kind of, I don't like that feeling on my fingers. It's very irritating right now. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know if you can, there's some dust crap. It says affirmation for relationships. All my relationships are now loving and harmonious. There's a phrase that I think I know what the problem is. But look, if you can see on this, like right in here, I don't think you can tell. But look. There's something all over this crap. It's not crap, but you know what I mean. I think this could possibly be it. This is a bath bomb. Or it could be something else, but this could very much be what it is that I'm feeling. I don't like that. Here we have some things that you light, and it can help you light up other stuff, kind of like matches is what I'm assuming that is. We have, oh gosh. Oh, it's just falling off. Ew. We got 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, can y'all see that? It's just falling off. 4, 5. We've got 5 bags here. That is terrible. Let's just get this one out of the way. Okay, I think this is calcite is what I'm going to assume. Because this is what was on the card, and this is what we've got. I'm assuming that this is it. It's calcite. I'm very bummed about this. I don't like this dust. I don't like this stuff all over my hands. And then we have a keychain that looks like an amethyst. Oops. I think it's really, really pretty. It's a keychain. Come on. Beautiful. I feel like we've gotten this before, but I cannot remember the name of it. It's really pretty. We got 2 more, and then I'll go over everything and what is in the... Okay. I feel like I've gotten this before too. Rose quartz. Do you really want to make me cry? Oh, that is real pretty. On the inside of this, I just lost my box and all that dust went everywhere. That is beautiful. I like that a lot. No! Oh, man. Okay. And yes, I have underarm hair. No, I'm not going to shave it. If it disgusts you, sorry, another video. So we have, okay, this is a blue tiger's eye bracelet. It aids in reducing stress, increasing calm, and easing anxiety. It helps to open, clear, and align the mid to higher range chakras, which will assist in speaking with clarity and acting from a place of integrity. And then we have the rose quartz necklace. It says, when you hold rose quartz stones while meditating or wear it as jewelry, it surrounds you with a sphere of love energy, which activates and balances the heart chakra. Love is the most powerful energy, which makes rose quartz one of the most beneficial stones for healing and flooding the body with positive energy. And then here we have Tibetan rope incense. Okay, so this is incense. Okay, I smell it now. I didn't want to sniff it. It was, for centuries, it's been used to release stress, sadness, and tension. It is made by monks living in monasteries and is prepared in the I can't say that word. Monastic? I know it's like the monastery, but I can't say that word. Orders of Tibet tradition. You can burn the rope incense by laying it flat on a bed of sand, which allows the entire rope to burn safely and completely, or use a rope incense burner. That's really cool. I like that. I think that's really nice. This is a bath bomb with rose quartz. It says, it's also got the scent of rose. I really smell the rose. And then we've got, where'd it go? And the hustle of losing my box, I have lost that keychain. Darn it. Anyways, once I find it, the keychain is an amethyst. It's to bring calmness and clarity to the mind, to relieve stress, soothe sadness, anger, and anxiety, and balance mood swings. It helps us to focus and stimulates motivation, concentration, and memory. It is believed to ease stress and insomnia, promoting peaceful sleep. Rubbed against the forehead, it eases headaches and tension. And then this is a natural geode. It helps communicate with divine beings and assist in creating better moods, balances, and energies that can help with meditation, stress, and decision making. So now for this raw blue calcite, it says, invite calming vibrations into your space with the most soothing crystal. It is known for its ability to calm the mind and enhance insight. Its gentle energy can help create a peaceful environment, perfect for reflection and inner exploration. Place it in your space to nurture a tranquil environment, or hold it during meditation and deepen your journey into self-discovery. It's used for relaxation, reflective meditation, and mental clarity. So I do like this box. The only thing that I don't like is the fact that it came with so much dust and stuff on there. And I dropped it on the floor and it's everywhere. So I don't like that. But what did you guys think? Did y'all like this box? Have you liked other boxes better? Would you get something like this? What do you wish that it had that it wasn't there this month? Anyways, before I go, I want you guys to remember, when you breathe, breathe kindness. And when you love, love wholeheartedly.